Hello, CNG 132. Welcome to the Friday video. Um, the content for the discussions looks real well. Group policies, UAC, SAML, user access control, all really relevant topics as we talk about security, and definitely different ways to approach some security, or a good layer to add to any security. Still missing a few people. Make sure you get those in as soon as possible so your cohorts have time to interact with you. Let's see. For this week, don't forget your test. You have a test that's due the 12th, or I'm sorry, the 11th. It's due the 11th, so make sure to go over there and do it. I'll have to make sure that's able to be extracted from MindTap too. Okay, something to look into after this video. But as we go into the next weeks, make sure that you're aware of that the assignments do start throttling back a bit. I'll probably take out some more of the assignments to give you time to start rehearsing and working on your security policy. Remember, your security policy is going to be two policies made up, whether you choose like the clean desk policy or anything like that, and simply just submit that in the security policy Dropbox. The Transcender quiz and test. The quiz, you just show me that you have access. You get a score, a perfect score over that one when you have access. The Transcender test, you're showing me that, I guess you could really show me any score, and I'll put any score in there. But what you really want to achieve is a score that's 70 or more to bring those test scores up higher. Failure to turn those in will result in a 0 for you, and nobody wants a 0, especially on a test that can bring them down. Good work so far for this week. If you have any questions, reach out to me, and I'll be happy to answer those. Do your best to prepare for Thanksgiving break by getting all the assignments in. Over Thanksgiving break, if you do not have assignments in, I suggest going back and working on those assignments. The discussions, once again, those 4 main topics, each one are worth 20%. So you should walk out of this class with at least an 80. Doing the work on those 4 things. If you have any questions, reach out to me or reach out to Bob. We're both here, and definitely get you help in accessing Transcender or Kaplan. And that's it. Have a good weekend. I'll check in. I'll try to check in this weekend.